So desirous attachment, how does it develop? We need to begin to notice this mind. First, we perceive or remember a contaminated object. So we remember or see a contaminated object and we feel it to be attractive. We like it, we like the look of it. And then we focus our attention on its good qualities. It's really amazing, whether it's a person or a new possession that you want. Really amazing. We focus our attention on its good qualities and we exaggerate them. Then, with an exaggerated sense of the attractiveness of the object, we then hold it to be desirable. It is really, really desirable. I must have it. And we develop desire for it. So that can be very quick. You know, on your phone when you're looking at something can flash up. I don't know what it is. What's because they know all the things that you like, and so then these things can flash up, and you're like, oh, look at that, it's so amazing, and you immediately click on it, and you're like, I want this, and it's happened like that. You've gone through all those steps. You've seen something, you thought it's really good, exaggerated it, really, really need to have it. I'm going to have it. So finally, our desire attaches us to the object so that it feels as if we have become glued to it or absorbed into it. Our mind is like a limpet. It's completely attached to that object. All we can think about is that object, and we must have it. Only when all these stages are completed has desirous attachment occurred. So again, just like anger, there are steps to its development. So when we understand there are steps, we can stop the steps so that desirous attachment does not arise, does not come into existence. So for instance, the step we can stop mainly is the exaggeration, the inappropriate attention. So sometimes in the paper, maybe you may have read the free paper, the Metro. And in the Metro, if you've ever read it, in the Metro there is a section called Rush Hour Crush. So some of you may know. So Rush Hour Crush, and on there if you check. There'll be, maybe it's a quarter of the page, and there's a little people written in, and they said, "Oh, I saw you on the 9:05 train from Huddersfield to Manchester, for example, and you had brown hair and amazing blue eyes, and you were wearing this leather jacket. Would you like to get together for a drink?" And then you sign it, I don't know, the girl with the red hair and the blue wellies or something, I don't know. And so this is a perfect example. You've seen somebody and you thought, they're amazing, they're really beautiful. And you've contemplated how beautiful they are, really amazing blue eyes, really amazing leather jackets, so good taste they've got. And they smiled at me, so I must be in for a chance. And you exaggerate. And then you think, I must have them. So then what do? You write that little note and you send it into the paper. And you think, I must have that object. And then we probably are thinking, oh, I wonder if I'll get a little text or a reply to that. I wonder if they'll see that. And we're constantly thinking, am I going to be able to meet that object? We think they're going to make me happy.